Hello and welcome to drillingcontractor.org. This is Kelly Ainsworth Robinson at the 2018 IADC and SPE Drilling Conference in Fort Worth. I'm with Seth Robert, Director of Southern Operations for Canrig Drilling Technology, who gave a presentation earlier today at the conference. Thank you for joining us, Seth. How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
How have real-time operation centers evolved in the drilling industry, and what role can these centers play as the drilling process modernizes with the adoption of automation, AI, and analytics?
Really, over the last 10 years, the technology and the equipment has given us the ability to remote into our equipment and really see eyes on what is happening from a remote command center. We didn't have that technology 10 years ago. And what a remote operations center does, it helps us escalate different issues. It helps us communicate more effectively. And from a drilling process point of view, it really helps us standardize the way we do business, whether it's a service point of view, drilling processes, so we can really measure ourselves where we couldn't previously and understand how we're performing against the best practice. So that's a huge advantage for us.
How are the roles and competencies of the modern field service technician evolving?
Well, that's a good question, because as the drilling rigs continue to evolve, the technology is evolving, and the technician's skill sets really needs to continue to evolve. What was happening, 10 years ago, the model used to be electricians and mechanics, and now the model has really evolved, and where you really need to have more of a field engineer, someone who really understands really robotic technology, who can really work around drilling automation and understand code and programming. And so that's really changed the dynamic of the technician. So what needs to happen with that is there has to be a training program that really supports the need of the industry and has to really help the technicians become competent in those new areas of expertise.
Can you tell us about the work that Neighbors and Canrig are doing to develop an ecosystem that leverages the Internet of Things and pushes drilling performance to the next level?
So really this is a multi-piece facet here. It takes software support. We have different software support, our field service, our asset management, our inventory management, and we really get eyes on package of all the data that's coming in. We have data coming in from everywhere, from our drilling equipment, from the service reports we have, from the asset management software who's really driving the maintenance that we're providing. We kind of use all that and collaborate into one, and really are able to understand best practices within our company, understand this is how we want to run our business. What this does for us is it really drives drilling performance, and it helps us reduce the overall cost to provide service for our customers.
Thank you so much for joining us today, Seth.
Thank you.
And thank you for joining us on drillingcontractor.org.